push-button switch to an LED circuit to control when the LED is it. Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, LED momentary tactile for pin push-button, 10,000 ohm resistor, 220 ohm resistor.
Place your push button in the breadboard. Connect pin A to one leg of a 10 k OHM resistor and connect that same resistor leg to Arduino pin 2. Connect the other resistor leg to the GND rail.
Connect the GND rail to the Arduino. GND connect pin B on the switch to the plus 5 row and connect this row to the plus 5B on the Arduino.